It's 5 o'clock this morning and the sun is on the rise. There's frosting on the window pane, the sorrow in your eyes. The stars are fading quietly, the night is nearly gone. And so you turn away from me, and tears begin to come, and it's goodbye again. I'm sorry to believe you, goodbye again. 'Cause if you didn't know, it's goodbye again. I wish you could tell me, why do we always fight? Why have to go? It seems a shame to leave you now. The days are soft and warm. I long to lay me down again and hold you in my arms. I long to kiss the tears away and give you back your smile. But other voices bag on me, and for a little while and it's goodbye again. I'm sorry to believe you, goodbye again. 'Cause if you didn't know, it's goodbye again. I wish you could tell me, why do we always fight when I have to go? I have to go and see some friends of mine, some that I don't know, and some unfamiliar with my name. There's something that inside of me knows hard to understand. It's anyone who listens to me sing. If your eyes are empty now, who am I to blame? You think if I were always here, our love would be the same. As it is, the time we have is worth the time alone. And lying by your side away, 'cause peace I'll never know, and it's goodbye again. I'm sorry to believe in you, goodbye again. 'Cause if you didn't know,